This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is connected and that the app has network and location permissions. Open Settings, find the app and grant both permissions. This often resolves permission-denied blocks at the OS level. Once done, force stop the app and clear its cache so stale settings don't persist. If the problem remains, reboot the device to reset network stacks and temporary states before moving into deeper diagnostics. Now narrow the fault. Try a browser and another app to confirm whether the error is app-specific or system-wide. If only one app fails, reinstall it and check background data restrictions and battery optimization exclusions. If all network traffic fails, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds or perform a network settings reset to restore default routers and DNS. Also, disable VPNs, proxies, or firewall apps temporarily. These often intercept sockets and cause network access is denied at the socket or permission layer. Finish by reinstalling the app after updating the Play Store and Android system so runtime permission behavior matches expected APIs. Make sure the app requests runtime permissions for network-relevant features if it targets recent SDKs. Mismatch can trigger denials. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference, and only then consider a factory reset as last resort. Troubleshooting tip: capture logcat during
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.